Hey folks, this is Wasat Khan, AI/ML intern at agentic Institute, Islamabad. I'm sharing my recently created AI agent interview in agentic Institute. If one switches tab from one tab to another, so the mentor will notify about the frequency of the switch tab on which the interview will be conducted, given by the candidate on which to which he applies. The candidate simply upload his resume and all the stack extract as well as skill and experience from the resume and conduct the interview on the basis of their experience level and the skill stack. Interview agents can take 10 plus concurrently interviews at a time. This project is deployed on multiple platforms. For example, the base is deployed on the Superbase, and the backend is deployed on the render, and the frontend is deployed on the virtual base. I used multiple techniques in it, like WebSockets, asynchronous, Grok APIs, OpenAI APIs, LLM, text-to-speech, speech-to-text using OpenAI and Whisper and Grok. There is also a mentor dashboard added on which a mentor can check the candidate's performance as well as analytic dashboards for the results and to approving, rejecting, and sending reviews for the other HR or the project manager. The candidate, each answer is assessed, evaluated by the LLM API, by the LLM through technical scoring, problem solving, and communication clarity. Now I will show you the end-to-end working of our AI agent system, which I deploy on. Let's switch to the screen. Now I am starting my interview with filling the form and getting into the interview room, right? There are some instructions need to be read carefully before starting the interview, because it is one of the important instruction that by switching your tab from one tab to another will count as a cheating and will be automatically triggered in the mentor dashboard.
What is the difference between classification and regression problems in AI?
Supervised machine learning classification, meaning that in which your classes are classified into categories, where regressions means that you will have to predict a single numerical value. In classification problems, there is example of spam and ham, and in regression, the example is house price prediction or laptop price prediction or forecasting.
How does AI handle multimodal inputs, such as images and text, in a single model?
This technique is called fusion model, in which metadata and images model both concatenate using fusion gate and other techniques like simple concatenation or fusion gate and something and the third category I forgot about that, but using these two categories like image data and metadata to combine it to make a fusion large model to give a single model. Now, answering this question that I don't know about that, let's see what score it gives me. I don't understand. Can you proceed to the next question or give me a follow-up question?
What are the key characteristics of a recurrent neural network, RNN, that make it suitable for sequential data?
यहाँ पे पहले भी 8 था इस क्वेश्चन पे, अभी दोबारा 8 है, चेंज नहीं हुआ। क्यों? क्योंकि फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन, अगर बंदा बोलता है कि मुझे क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, तो वो इसको चेक करने के लिए दूसरा क्वेश्चन देता है कि ये आया सही बोल रहा है या वैसे हम चेक करते हैं, ऐसा ना हो कि उस क्वेश्चन में कोई इसको मसला हो, तो इसलिए फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन ज़रूर देता है, तो उसमें काउंट नहीं होता. Let's check by switching the tab that navigating from one tab to another counts as cheating or not. हमने टैब स्विच कर लिया. देख, एक बार आ गया कि तुमने एक बार स्विच कर लिया है टैब, अभी दोबारा कर जाते हैं यहाँ पे. चलो इसको हम बोलते हैं कि RNN is best for data that comes in a sequence where the order of item matters, such as text translation, speech recognition, and stock price forecasting. ये 2 बार बोला, अभी 2 बार बोल दिया इसने.
Describe the key characteristics of a neural network.
Translate कर लिया.
Can you provide an example of a simple neural network? Write an example scenario where it might be applied.
अभी दोबारा जाते हैं. Now intentionally switching the tab again and again. Let's see that it triggers correctly or not. 3 times we have switches the tab, so it corrects and it will be counted in the mentor dashboard. Reinforcement learning is different from traditional machine learning in terms that reinforcement learning is for the agents and the models that need feedbacks like a penalty or rewards. If we want the agent to learn from the feedback, so we provide the rewards and penalties strategies for it, while it is not practical in traditional machine learning, which is only trained on the dataset and gives predictions on the basis of that dataset. A practical example for the reinforcement learning is that a robot or the autonomous cars which learns from their mistakes. Now our interview session completes here, and it will give us a provided summary with the AI confidence scores on the basis of what it gives me. Gives us the score, the overall summary, strengths, weaknesses, and the recommendation plan where we lag in and what we recommend. Now I am putting the original dedicated mentor key for it, which I have stored, which I only have that time. So as well as the real HR and mentor they possess. So we can access all the dashboard over here, how much interviews did we conducted, and the real dashboard answer by answer report, their technical scores, problem solving, communication skills, and there's a questions we just skip it with the redundant answers, and the good scores where we performed very well, and the underneath approve, reject, needs review tabs through which the mentor can take actions on. And this is the decided tab, and this is the all conducted interviews in the databases, and this is the analytics dashboard on which it tells us about the all conducted interviews, the technical skills, completed started versus completed statuses, and the all tech stacks from the CV extracted, and the last candidate ranking, that how the candidate ranks. So this is because especially designed for the interns interview, not much experienced AI engineers.